I've been asked before about social work and if I could summarize it very succinctly, and typically I have to say no. It's a very, very broad field, and it ranges from working with people one-on-one, to working with small groups, to working with bigger groups, to working with communities, to trying to change policy at a government level that's either local or national. And so it's such a broad field. If you think about it, social work is really just helping people wherever they are. Sometimes that's in hospitals, sometimes that's in the criminal justice system, sometimes that's regular community members, sometimes that's in schools. I like to tell students, if you think about psychology at kind of the one-on-one micro level, and you think about sociology as the big broad societal level, social work cuts across all those different disciplines. I wouldn't say it's better than any of those other disciplines at all. It's just different because it touches on each and every one of them. And so it's very broad, and it allows you to be really flexible in your career choices after you graduate. In my Introduction to Social Work course, we try to really give you a broad understanding of the field. And we have a number of assignments designed to expose you to the literature and to the people who make up the field of social work. Some of that is readings, like in a textbook, and quizzes and tests. In addition to that, we have a lot of gospel-centered readings focused on teachings from the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints and how the teachings of the prophets and apostles relate to our discipline. We focus on social work, volunteer work and experience, so you'll get the opportunity to go volunteer in a real community setting and get exposure to the field. We'll also ask that you interview a social worker and get to know a little bit about their experience, the things that they like about the profession, why they chose to go into it, and the challenges they face, and what a day in the life of a social worker looks like. We'll also have you do a community assessment project where you go and find out various information about a zip code or a town or a city, and think about it through a social work lens and how people might react differently, or how you might approach it differently as a social worker as opposed to just a normal person walking into that community. A couple other things we ask you to do and assignments that we have include looking at yourself and your own values and where you stand kind of ethically and how it relates to the code of ethics in the field of social work. We also have a variety of assignments where you will go and read a research article and compare that to really your own experience and the things that you've been reading in the course related to social work, and you will evaluate the research within a social work lens or context.